Honorable Chief Minister, who is also a Finance Minister, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Honorable Chief Minister, who is also a Finance Minister, has presented a budget of a size of 4,48,000 crores, one of the biggest budget, and he has made a record. He has established a record. The budget has focused on social justice, welfare of people, and also farmers. The irrigation projects are given due focus, and appropriate message is also given for making country really have more credibility in federal system. We have engaged in discussion of this subject since last several weeks, and with lot of thinking and discussions with the concern, we have taken this decision. Yeah, more clarity will come by the time we totally implement.